Okay, another question, another inequality. What will the solution for x minus 5? X minus 5 greater than or equal to 7. X minus 5 plus 5 greater than or equal to 7 plus 5. And x greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. 7 plus 5, 1, 2. It becomes 12. In interval form, it can be in numbers which are greater than or equal to 12 are x will be x equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and it goes to infinity. Therefore, the answer will be close interval 12, comma, infinity. Okay, again, the other question will be 12 minus x less than 5. 12 minus x less than 5 minus 12. Therefore, minus x less than 5 minus 12 becomes minus 7. Divided by minus 1 by minus 1, and x becomes greater than 7. And numbers which are greater than 7 are that means open interval 7, comma, positive infinity. If you insert one of numbers between 7 and infinity without including 7, the 12 minus x becomes less than 5. Becomes 1. Let's insert. This means 7 less than x less than infinity. That means x greater than 7 12 minus x less than 5. Let's insert a number which is greater than 8, 7, and 12 minus 8 less than 5. 12 minus becomes 4. 4 less than 5. It is true. It's true. Again, the other question is x minus 5 greater than 0. X minus 5 plus 5 greater than 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. X greater than 5. This means that 5, comma, positive infinity. This is all about solution for the given inequalities. Thank you.